Hi, my name is Mr. Chu and welcome to my study room. Today in my study room, we are solving question 27 of Wassce 2022 core or general mathematics paper. And it reads, in the diagram, MRW and MNST are straight lines. Line segment MN equals line segment NR. Angle MNR equals 110 degrees and angle WRS equals 86 degrees. Find the value of X. Even before we go into answering the question, we need to analyze the question itself first. And that is the fact that they tell us that MRW and MNST are straight lines. If I should say anything about it, I will just tell you that it means that because this is a straight line, it means that this angle plus this angle plus this one should give us what? 180 degrees, because the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. And also the same here. So this and this should give us 180 degrees. The same way this and this should give us 180 degrees. Whichever will be important to us. That is what it means. Then also the marking even tells us, but they still told us anyway, that the line segment MN and then NR are equal. So we start answering our question right from there. The fact that the line segment MN and NR are equal means that triangle MNR is isosceles. And I hope you know what an isosceles triangle is. Yes, an isosceles triangle has two sides equal. So if this triangle here is an isosceles triangle, it means that angle M will be equal to angle R. Right. The angle we are looking for is right here. So we need to know these two angles for us to be able to find the third one, or even at least this one. Even if you don't know the two, at least this one we need to know, so that we use the exterior angle theorem to find this one together with the 110 degrees. So by getting this one, we need to know this, which is easier to find because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So assuming that this angle here, we decide to call it theta, and because it's equal to this angle here to be theta, then using the angle sum theorem, it means that theta plus 110 will be equal to what? I'm sure you said 180, because the sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees, and that is 2 theta plus 110 will be equal to 180 degrees. Subtracting 110 degrees from both sides, we are going to have 180 degrees minus 110, which will give us 70 degrees. And dividing both sides by 2, theta is going to be 35 degrees. And remember, I said if you add 1, 2, 3, it should give you 180 degrees, right? Good. So that means that if we decide to call this angle here beta, just to give it a name, it means that theta plus beta plus 86 degrees should give us what? 180 degrees, because they are angles on a straight line, and the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. And now we know theta to be 35 degrees. So 35 plus beta plus 86 will be equal to 180 degrees. 35 plus 86 will give us 121. So beta plus 121 will be equal to 180 degrees. Subtracting 121 from both sides, beta will be equal to 180 degrees minus 121, which will be equal to 59 degrees. I would like to first use the exterior angle theorem. So the exterior angle theorem says that the sum of two interior angles of a triangle will be equal to its remote exterior angle. And what does that mean? It means that when you take any two interior angles of a triangle and you add them, the answer will be equal to the exterior angle of the third one that you didn't take. So this is what I mean. For example, taking triangle NRS, this angle here plus this angle here, beta, will be equal to the third one that we didn't take, the angle that is exterior outside that angle, or the angle that is on a straight line with that angle. So that means beta plus x will be equal to 110 degrees. And now we know beta to be 59 degrees plus x should be equal to 110 degrees. Subtracting 59 from both sides, x will be equal to 110 minus 59, and that will be equal to 51 degrees. And that is option C. For those who want to use the angle sum theorem, it means they are going to find this angle here and it's on a straight line with the 110 degrees. So that means here will be 70 degrees. 180 minus 110. When you add the two, they should give you 180. So we just add the three of them. 70 plus beta, which is 59, plus x should be equal to 180 degrees. So this will give us 129 plus x equals 180 degrees. Subtracting 129 from both sides, our x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 129, and that will be equal to 51 degrees, which is also the same as this one. So it depends on which of the methods you remember and which one is faster. I think the exterior angle theorem is faster, but whichever you use, you get the same result. I hope this lesson has been of help to you. If yes, then kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Till we meet again, it's a bye. Thank you.